Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Khairul Anwar. I received my bachelor degree from ITB Bandung, master and PhD degree from Nara Institute of Science and Technology. After graduated from Nara Institute of Science and Technology in Japan, I worked in Japan's Advanced Institute of Science and Technology as an assistant professor. And then since September 2017, last year, I joined Telkom University as the director of the Center for Advanced Wireless Communications. Center for Advanced Wireless Technologies, we are considering are especially currently about 5G and 6G. So what is 5G and what is 6G? First, I would like to follow the definition of 5G according to the ITU. ITU is International Telecommunication Union. It is the highest standardization body in the world. Considering the standard of telecommunication in the world, especially on 4G, 5G, and in the future maybe also 6G. But what we will see currently is the 5G, because 5G will be coming to Indonesia and also to the world at around 2020. Yeah. In 2020 we will have 5G, and Japan will be trying to demonstrate 5G at the same time as in the event of Tokyo Olympic 2020. And in Indonesia we may have 5G at 2020 or on 2021. And then in the case of 5G, the definition of ITU are threefold. The first is enhanced mobile broadband. So when we are considering to enhance mobile broadband, so we should follow the channel limit. But channel limit in this case is not is still point to point. However, in 5G we may move to multi-point. But according to point-to-point communications, so the speed will be at around 10 giga or 20 gigabit per second. And then the second point is that ultra reliable and low latency communications. So in this case, as our communication system should guarantee the bit error rate at around 10 to minus 5 and low latency below 1 millisecond. So this is the challenge to all scientists in the world, that we have to design a communication system and the processing inside of the device such that it can process data very fast. So according to my opinion is that we have to make the device should be very simple. And then the third point, this is what makes different 5G and the generation below 5G. That is the machine type communication, because in 5G human and machine will use the same network. So the challenge is that the machine, for example, in this graph, we can see machine group 1 and machine group 2. So how can the human are prioritized compared with machine? So in that case, we need to develop the special coding such that we prioritize the human. So this is the challenge regarding 5G. And then about 6G, so the speed of 6G will be about 1 terabit per second. And then we may use the frequency from 100 gigabit per second until 10 terabit per second. So the challenge is that the automation will be very big, so the cell size also probably very small. So this is our challenge in 2020 and 2030 for 5G and 6G respectively. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.